Going to start with 2 pounds of ground beef and throw 1 egg in there with it. Once you put your egg in there, you're going to put 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs in there, as well as about a tablespoon worth of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to get to our seasonings, some garlic powder, as well as onion powder, and some salt and pepper. We're making some Salisbury Steak cowboy pasta today, y'all. So once you got all that in there, you're gonna just, with your hands, go ahead and just mix all that together. All right, and once you've thoroughly mixed all that together, we're gonna start making our patties. Try to make about 8 patties. We're gonna put it in our crock pot. We're gonna take our last patty here. Go ahead and throw it in there. Now that we got our patties in there, we're going to come over and make our gravy. Super important. So we're going to start with some brown gravy mix. And we're going to put 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in there with it. Scrape it out nice and thoroughly. Once you got that scraped out, we're also going to put in 1 cup of beef broth. And once your beef broth is in there, go ahead and get that nice and whisked together. Alright, and once you got that nice and whisked together, we're going to pour it over our patties. Try to evenly pour it over, so you're getting that flavor nice and spread around. Man, my granddaddy and my meemaw would have loved this. Oh my goodness. If you got a meemaw and a granddaddy still, you need to make this for them. Alright, and once you got your gravy on there, gonna put our final touches. Put up some sliced onion on top, as well as some sliced mushroom. I did wash these mushrooms before y'all start going crazy in the comments saying I'm using dirty mushrooms. I am not, those are clean. Alright, so once you got those all in there, you're gonna put your lid on. You're going to put it on high for 3 hours. Alright, after about 3 hours, should be looking a little something like this. So at this point, you got 2 options. You can eat it as is, or have some mashed potatoes and gravy on the side, or, well, you already got the gravy, you know what I mean. Or, you can serve it over some egg noodles, which is what we're doing here today. Oh yeah, I gotta get some of that stuff though. Yeah, baby. This is gonna be so good. Alright, moment of truth. Let's give this thing a try. Get you out a nice piece. Y'all, that is tasty. Try it with noodles. Trust me. Oh my goodness. This is tasty, y'all. Forget what I said. Do it with the noodles.